after solving the examples, we will move to our exercise. And the question number 1 of the exercise says, find the circumferences of the circles with their diameters given below. Means we have given the diameters on the all three parts of the question. In the first part, we have given diameter equals to 3.5 centimeter. In the next part, we have given the diameter 6.3 meters. And in the last part, we have given the diameter 0.14 meter. In all the three questions, we have given the diameters and we have to find out the circumference of all three circles. So, what will we do? We would apply our formula for the circumference of the circle. But which formula? The formula having d in it, because we have given the value of d. So, which formula we would put here? C is equal to pi d. In our solution, we will start with C is equal to pi d. Then C is pi 22 by 7 into, what is d? 3.5. Now C is equal to, we can divide 3.5 by 7. It is 0.5 times of 7. Now we have 22 into 0.5. Let's multiply this 22 by 0.5. We will simply multiply it by 5. 5 2s are 10, 1 carry, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 1, 11. But we have to put this decimal here. So, our answer for the circumference of this circle will be 11 centimeter. So simple. क्या किया हमने? We have given the diameter of this circle. The diameter is equal to 3.5 centimeter. We have to find out the circumference of the circle. So we had simply applied the formula. C is equal to pi d. C is equal to pi 22 by 7 into d is 3.5. Now these 7 will divide this 3.5 and the answer will be 0.5. Why so? Because if we remove the decimal from here, we get 35 upon 10 and the 35 upon 10 is 3.5. But if we divide 35 into 10 by 7, we get 0.5. Now 22 into 0.5 and the answer is 11.0. That is C is equal to 11 centimeter. And this is the circumference of the circle having the diameter 3.5 centimeter. As it is, we will do our next question, because in the next question also there is diameter given and we have to find out the circumference. So we will start with the formula. What is formula? C is equal to pi d. Now C is equal to pi 22 by 7 into d 6.3. Now C is equal to 22 by 7 into, here I will not direct divide 6.3 by 7. I will explain it to you how it happens. 6.3. If we remove this decimal, we will get a 0 here. It will be 63 by 10 because 63 by 10 is 6.3. Now I have to divide this 63 by 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 nines are 63 and 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2 and 2 fives are 10. Now we are left with 11 into 9 upon 5. And what is the value of 11 into 9? It is 99 upon 5. Now we have to divide 99 by 5. 5 ones are 5. Here 5 ones are 5. What is the remainder? 4. And this becomes 49. So here 5 nines are 45. Then we will write 9. 49 minus 45, 4. And 4 cannot be divided by 5. That's why we will put a decimal here, and that 4 will be 40. So 5 8s are 40. And our answer for the circumference will be 19.8 meters. What will be our answer? 19.8 meters. Students, as you can see in example number 1, while solving the question for circumference of the circle, here we have directly divided 3.5 by 7. But in question number 2, here I have removed this decimal and I get 63 by 10. Then I have divided this 63 by 7. Here 9 comes and this 22 and 10 by 2. So here 11 upon 5. So in the next step, C is equal to 11 into 9 upon 5. 11 9s are 99 upon 5. And on dividing 99 by 5, we get 19.8. So our required circumference for this circle having diameter 6.3 meter is 19.8 meters. Why meters? Because the diameter is given in meters. Now let's move to the next part. In the third part of the question, again we have diameter given, that is d equals to 0.14. We have to find out the circumference. Again we will do the same things. In the solution, at first we will write C is equal to pi. What will we write? C is equal to pi d. Now C is equal to pi 22 by 7 into what is d? 0.14. Now here you can do two things. दो चीजें आप कर सकते हैं. You can either divide 0.14 directly by 7 or you can remove this decimal from here. Let's remove this decimal from here. If we remove this decimal from here, we will get 100 in denominator, because after decimal there are 2 digits, that's why 100 will come here. And in the next step, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 40. Now 22 and 100 both can be divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2 and 2 fives are 10, 0. Now this 2 can divide this 50. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 1 remainder and 2 fives are 10. So what we have left now, 11 in the numerator and 25 in the denominator. Now as you see, numerator is less than the denominator. Then how will we divide? Just look at here. We have to divide this 11 by 25. So we will write 25 here and 11 here. But you cannot divide 11 by 25 because 11 is less than 25. That's why you have to put a decimal in the starting for placing a 0 here. You will put a decimal here for placing the 0. Now it's 110 and it is greater than 25 and it can be divided by 25. So 25 4s are 100. 0 minus 0 0, 1 minus 0 1 and 1 minus 1 0. Again if we place a decimal here, we can place a 0 here and 25 4s are again 100. So our answer for 11 upon 25 will be 0.44, that is 0.44 meters, and this will be our required circumference. You could either divide this 0.14 directly by 7, then you would get 0.2 here, and you can directly multiply that 0.2 by 22 and get 0.44. वैसे भी कर सकते हैं आप. Just look at here कि वो कैसे हो सकता था. C is equal to 22 by 7 into 0.14. You could divide like this. 0.2, and you could get the answer by multiplying 22 into 0.2, and that is also equal to 0.44. But for elaborating, I have done this question like this, जिससे आप और अच्छे से इसको समझ सकें. So these were the questions in which the diameter was already given and we had to find out the circumference of the circle. Now in the next question, question number 2, we are having the radius given, and in those questions we have to find the circumference of the circle. So just let's move to the next question, that is question number 2. So students, in the question number 2, we are again with 3 parts, first, second and third, and these 3 parts say that find the circumferences of the circles with their radii given below. Means the radii of 3 circles are given and we have to find out the circumference of these circles. So just let us start with the first part. In first part, the radius is given which is equal to 56 centimeters. What is radius given? 56 centimeters. We have to find out the circumference. Which formula would we apply here? Circumference equals to 2 pi r. Why 2 pi r? Not pi d, because here d is not given. Here radius is given. That's why we will apply here the formula 2 pi r. So in our solution, we will write C is equal to 2 pi r. Now C as it is, 2 as it is, pi, what is the value of pi? 22 by 7, and what is radius given? 56. Now we can simply divide 56 by 7. It comes in the table of 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 8s are 56. Now we are left with 2, 22 and 8. We have to multiply 22, 2 and 8 for finding our circumference. Now 2 2s are 4 and 2 2s are 4. 22 2s are 44 into 8. Now 44 into 8. 8 4s are 32. 2 here, 3 carry. 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 3, 25. So our radius was 56 centimeter, and we have solved the equation and we found our circumference that is equal to 352 centimeters, and this is our final answer for this part of second question. Understood everyone? Let us revise it once again. In this question, we have given radius which is equal to 56 centimeter, and we have to find out the circumference. In the question number 1, we had given the diameter, that's why we had applied the formula pi d, but here radius is given, so we will apply circumference equals to 2 pi r. 2 into 22 by 7 at the place of pi and 56. 7 8s are 56, 8 2s are 16. We can multiply 8 by 2, 8 2s are 16 and then 22 by 16. But here we have multiplied 22 by 2, that is 44, and into 8. And the answer for the circumference of this circle, which is having radius 56 centimeter, is 352 centimeters. Now, the next part. In this part, we are given the radius 7.7 centimeter. So our solution will be C is equal to 2 pi r. C is for circumference. Now C is equal to 2 as it is, pi 22 by 7, and what is radius? 7.7. In the next step, now फिर से आप दो चीजें कर सकते हैं. 7.7 को डायरेक्टली 7 से डिवाइड कर सकते हैं, या फिर 7.7 में से डेसिमल रिमूव करके आप उसे फर्दर सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. बट हियर वी विल डायरेक्टली डिवाइड दिस 7.7 by 7, and on dividing we get 1.1. Now we have 2 into 22 into 1.1. Now if you want to multiply these two, you can, and then the answer will be multiplied by 1.1. And if you want to multiply these two, the answer will be multiplied by 2. दोनों चीजें कर सकते हैं आप. We will simply multiply these two. 2, 22. 22 2s are 44 into 1.1. Now I have to multiply 44 and 1.1. I will simply multiply 44 and 11 and then put the decimal. 11 4s are 44. 4 carries. 11 4s are 44. 44 plus 4, 48. Now I have to put the decimal. Here after decimal there is only one digit. So in the answer also there will be one digit after decimal. So the decimal will be here. And our answer for the circumference of this circle will be 48.4 centimeters. Now, the third part. In the third part, the radius is given 2.8 meter and circumference is to find. So, solution, again the same formula, C is equal to 2 pi r. I hope आपको फॉर्मूला पूरा अच्छी तरह से याद हो चुका है. You have learned the formula now because we have applied this formula in so many questions. C is equal to 2 as it is, pi 22 by 7 and r 2.8. Now if we divide 2.8 by 7, what we get? 0.4. So here 0.4. Now 2 into 22 into 0.4. Again 2 into 22, 44 into 0.4. Here we will do the same thing. In the last question we have multiplied 44 by just 11 and then we had put the decimal. Here we will again multiply this 44 by 4 only. So here 4 4s are 16, 1 carry, 4 4s are 16, 16 plus 1, 17. And where will we put the decimal? Yes, here. So our circumference for this circle will be 17.6 meters. Why meter? Because radius is given in the meters. So this will be our final answer. So students, in these questions what have you learned? We have learned to find out the circumference of a circle if the radius of the circle is given. In all the three parts, we had given the radius of the circle and we had find out the circumference of the circle. Now it is a very simple task for us, if radius is given, then to find the circumference of the circle. Students, our fourth question. Our fourth question is, in this question we have given a circular place. We have given a circular place and a person wants to fence this circular place. And you know, by example number 4, we have done our example number 4 and the same that was the same question, and we know very well from example number 4 the fencing can be done on the circumference of the circular place. So first we have to find out the circumference of this circular place, and here cost of fencing the place for 3 rounds. We have to fence that place for 3 rounds. So we would have to multiply circumference with 3 because we have to fence the place for 3 rounds. And the wire which is used for fencing, it costs rupees 50 per meter. What is the cost of that wire? Rupees 50 per meter. Then what will be the cost of the fencing the place for 3 rounds? So whatever will be our circumference, we will multiply it by 3, and how many meters come, that will be multiplied by 50 because 1 meter cost 50 rupees, then dash meters cost will cost 50 into that. कैसे होगा देखते हैं. In our solution, first we will find the circumference of the place. So circumference of the place is equal to 2 pi r. Why 2 pi r here, not pi d? Because we have given the radius. Now c is equal to 2 as it is, pi 22 by 7 and radius 7.7. Now this 7.7 can be cancelled by 7 and 1.1 will be here. Now in the numerator we have 2 into 22 into 1.1. Now 22 2s are 44 into 1.1. and on multiplying 44 into 21, 1.1, what we get? 11 fours are 44, 4 carry, 11 fours are 44, 44 plus 4, 40, and the decimal will be here. So our circumference will be 48.4 meters because our radius was in meters. Now this is the circumference for only one round because it is a circular place and one round will complete this circumference. But if you want 3 rounds, then you would have to multiply this circumference by 3. So for 3 rounds we have C into 3, and that is equal to 48.4 into 3. This will be the circumference for 3 rounds. The circumference for one round is 48.4 meters and the circumference for 3 rounds will be 48.4 into 3. Now 48.4 into 3. C for 3 rounds will be 3 fours are 12, 1 carry, 3 8s are 24, 24 plus 1, 25, 2 carry, 3 fours are 12, 12 plus 2, 14, and the decimal will come here. So circumference for 3 rounds is 145.2 meters. Now we have to fence this circular place having circumference for 3 rounds 145.2. Now in the next step we will write if 1 meter costs rupees 50. 1 meter of fencing costs rupees 50. Then the cost for fencing 145.2 meters will be 145.2 into 50. 1 मीटर का 50 है, so 145.2 मीटर का कितना होगा? 145.2 into 50. So 0 as it is, 5 2s are 10, 1 carry, 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 1, 21, 2 carries, 5 1s are 5, 5 plus 2, 7, and a decimal will come here. So our answer for the cost of fencing the whole circular place 3 times will be rupees 710. Why will it be denoted into rupees? Because this is the cost of fencing. What have we done? In the question we have given a circular place. हमें एक circular place दिया हुआ है and we have to fence this circular place 3 times and the wire which is used for fencing costs rupees 50 per meter. Then what will be the cost of fencing the whole circular place? हमें पूरे circular place को 3 times fence करना है. So we would have to derive the value for C. हमें C की वैल्यू फर्स्ट निकालनी पड़ेगी. Then we have to multiply it by 3 because we need 3 rounds. So we have found out the value of C, that is 48.4, and we have multiplied it by 3 and we get 145.2 meters. Now 1 meter of fencing costs rupees 50. Then 145.2 meter will cost 145.2 into 50. That is equals to 710. So the cost of fencing the whole circular place for 3 rounds will be rupees 710. Understood? Now let's move to the question number 5.